7 lonely days, and a dozen times ago I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking in the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I love you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps falling down, and up ahead to another town now. I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe, rain in my shoe, searching for you in the cold Kentucky rain, in the cold Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside the general store. Said yes, she's been here, but the memory wasn't clear with her yesterday. No, wait, the day before. So I finally got a ride where a preacher man who asked where you're bound on such a cold, dark afternoon. As we drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I find you. Kentucky rain keeps falling down, and up ahead to another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.